AI is changing the world and new tools are popping up everywhere. These tools can help us work faster and smarter. They can automate tasks and give us, superpowers. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just curious about the future, AI tools are becoming essential. One of the most exciting areas of AI is in coding and software development. Imagine having an AI assistant that can write code for you, find bugs, and even build entire apps. That's where Devin AI comes in. Devin AI is an AI-powered software development tool. It was created by a company called Cognition Labs. They launched Devin AI in early 2024, and it's been making waves in the tech world ever since. You can access Devin AI through their website or app. It's super easy to sign up and start using it. Devin AI has a bunch of cool features like a code editor, a terminal, and even a planner. You can use it to write code in different programming languages, test your code, and even deploy your apps to the cloud. One of the coolest things about Devin AI is that it can help you make money online. If you're a freelance coder, you can use Devin AI to complete projects faster and take on more clients. Devin AI can also help you build your own software. You can use it to create apps, games, and even websites. Then you can sell your creations online or offer them as a service. Now you might be wondering, how is Devin AI different from other AI tools like Genspark.ai? Well, Genspark.ai is more focused on research. It's great for finding information online, summarizing documents, and generating reports. Devin AI, on the other hand, is all about building software. So if you need to write code, fix bugs, or build an app, Devin AI is the tool for you. If you need to do research, analyze data, or write reports, then Genspark.ai is a better choice. Both Devin AI and Genspark.ai are powerful tools that can help us in our work and businesses. As AI technology continues to improve, we can expect even more amazing tools to emerge in the future.